Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. This video is urgent. I will make for all Polygon holders because this time Lio the Polygon holders message me on Instagram, on Telegram that what should we do this time. As you know that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, so a lot of people directly message me on Instagram that what should we do this time, as it is time to buy, sell or hold friends. So finally in this video I will give you a suggestion, so keep watch my friends. And remember, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel. And if you have any type of question about Polygon Matic, so please comment me. I will try to answer your question friends. Let's move on and let's start the video friends. So first of all, if we check it out, the latest price of the Polygon Matic, so 1.66 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic in the market friends. On the other side, as I told you that a lot of people message me that the last 1 hour pricing is again start now, the funding period of the Polygon or again start now. So what should we do at this time? You can see the last 1 hour pricing is negative and the last 1 day pricing is positive friends, and last 1 week pricing is also negative. So they confused, they're worrying about that what's going on in the Polygon Matic friends. Let's see my friends the price chart friends, and let's try to understand friends. As I told you my friends in the previous videos of Polygon Matic that the huge pump of the Polygon are coming soon. So friends, if we look at this time, so you can see here that is the huge pump of the Polygon Matic friends. That is the huge pump of the Polygon Matic friends. And if you look the changes occurs to 379.71% positive changes occur in the Polygon Matic, and the highest price is 2.57 USD dollar is the highest price of Polygon Matic in the last 1 month friends. So now I'm feeling very happy today that the Polygon price is going positive, but as a lot of people message me on Instagram that the last 1 hour price change is again negative, and again the fast of Polygon Matic start. So first of all my friends, remember that if you want to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to hold your money for a long time friends. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Polygon Matic in the future friends. Then that's not a good decision for all of you that you decide to sell Polygon Matic due to the last 1 hour price falls. Every cryptocurrency is falls down for a little time. There is no one unique cryptocurrencies that they only move upward friends. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time. Every cryptocurrency is move upward for a little time. You can see here, as I told you in my previous video, that the huge pump of the Polygon Matic are coming soon. So I hope, I am sure that I am 100% right about Polygon Matic friends. Don't worry about that. It's time to hold, not to sell friends. That is my personal recommendation for everyone to it's time to hold. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.